Hey there, my name is Jordan and I am the marketing guy here at Energy Suspension in beautiful San Clemente, California. In this series, we will be installing a full vehicle master kit on this 2010 Nissan Altima. This episode, we are going to remove the rear upper and lower control arms as well as the knuckle. In the next episodes, we will replace the worn rubber bushings with fresh Energy Suspension Hyperflex Polyurethane. Let's do this. Looking to do this on your car? We strongly recommend obtaining and understanding the job for this service from the factory service manual before bushing replacement begins. There are many ways this sort of service can be done. The purpose of this video is to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. Billy starts the component removal by identifying and loosening specific hardware as specified in the factory service and repair manual. Please keep in mind that the rear spring is under large amounts of tension until the hardware holding the arms to the vehicle and knuckle is removed. With these components removed, it is time to replace bushings. Stay tuned for the next episodes to see the next steps and to learn more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safely.
Do it once. Do it right.